Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have an unbagging to do. Welcome. I hope everybody's doing great today. It's hot here today. It's hot. Great day to stay inside and do YouTube stuff. Yep. So this is one of our budget-friendly companies. I'd never heard of them before, but they did contact me and asked if I wanted to show a couple things. Their name is Diamondartdecor. We have decor. Yes, we do. All right, so I have, I should say, 5 things here. So let's see what I got. This one's been here a hot minute. I think this came before I went on my little vacation, and I'm trying, excuse me, that was a pop can falling into the sink. Came before my little vacation, and I have not had a chance to get to this one. Had some other things that were higher priority, and so we're stuck. Toolkit, basic toolkit. Drills, very beautiful, pastel-y type colors. They look really nice. So, Diamondartdecor. I'm so sorry. I'm now on it. Okay, so we have us here a picture printed canvas, as you can see. Not pixel printed. I recently got a pixel printed, picture printed. Does that make sense? So what they do with these is they print the picture here, you got your picture, and then they put the symbols over top. So they can put the symbols over top any way they want, I guess, even if they have guide circles. I've never seen a picture printed painting with guide circles, but I had one. Anyhow, this one does not have guide circles. Yay. It does have some colored circles, with a symbol in it, but that's fine. I don't mind those one bit, okay? But this one was just cute. A bunch of flowers and a hummingbird. A legend on both sides. 20 colors. DMC codes are on both sides. Nice. Cute. It's very pretty. I love the colors. I love the pastel colors that it has. Pastel colors. All right. We'll go through them quickly. I have been noticing more and more lately the drill bags that have a little tiny puncture hole in them. And I'm thinking that is for static purposes. Okay. So I have no issue with that. If it's keeping the drills from being staticky, I am good with that, right? Very pretty colors. That's probably our background right there, that tealish off-white color. A whole bunch of it, so. There you go. Very pretty colors. Nice pastel colors. Blues, greens, and some pinks for those flowers. Very pretty. I like it. Very nice. Okay, what else did we get? I don't know. It's been so long, I don't remember. They have sent me an email. Like, hi, just wondering, did you get the package? Everything was, yes, I did, and I'm so sorry. I have not recorded yet. I am now. We got it now. I don't think there's anything else over there I can toss into the sink, so I think we're good. What's this one? What is this? It's a special drill, I can tell that. All right. This toolkit comes with some baggies. Okay. Here's our special drills. And let's see what we have. We have 11 different objects to put on this painting. Oh, it's very pretty. It's a cute little 30 by 30 little butterfly. Cute. That should be very pretty. I love the colors. The dark purple behind it, and it fades kind of up here to a lighter magenta color. That's very nice. I like that. Okay, 30 by 30. Probably 25 by 25, as we know. It's not that large. All right. This couldn't come at a better time, right? I'm doing smashing with the special still. Don't know how many more I'm going to get to, but I'm working as hard as I can to get as many done as possible. All right, let's start out with some pinks, and those are a larger pink. And the blues, those are a larger rhinestone. And these are your regular rhinestones. Gold, a couple of blues, a pink, and a very light pale pink. Nice. Nice colors. What are our specials? We have some red marquee, some blue smooth marquee, and a couple different sizes of pearls. Very nice. That will be very pretty. You can see where the pearls go, right? They're just kind of, boom, there's the pearls. That's going to be very nice. Very, very lovely. Very pretty. I like it. Okay, cool. Well, that's number 2. What else do we have on the agenda for today? That one opened up pretty easily. Yay. Today, like I said, is hot, 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 hot. Full drill. Okay, we got a full drill. Look out, another full drill. I think it's going to be close to 90 for the next several days. I know some of you are out there like, 90. What I'd give to have it be 90. But that's hot for us, you know. We're not used to heat like that. Nice colors, very pretty colors. What do we have? Picture printed. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, 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 yes. I know what this is right now. Look at Krabby. Look at Krabby. Look at him. Isn't he cute? Hanging out there at the pot. Look at this guy over here. Adorable, right? And look at the flip-flops. I love the flip-flops. Love this picture. You guys, this is so stinking adorable. It's ridiculous. Look at. Who is it? It is Santa. It's Santa at the beach. This is so cute. Got a sailboat back there. We got a seagull up here on the sign. The seagull's wearing glasses even. You can tell he's got glasses on. The palm tree. Okay, I think I just showed this picture to Sue just the other day. And we analyzed it. What can you read? What can you read? Pole, right? We can read pole. We can read snow. This one, you can read it, okay? It's not perfect. I think it'll be better when you put drills on it. It says surf, shop, beach. I think there's really only one word that you can't really read. Well, I'm not even certain it says it. I don't think it actually says north up here. I don't think it does. It just says pole. Probably should say North Pole, but it doesn't. Isn't it adorable? I couldn't resist this when I saw this. Santa and his sunglasses on the beach. I love it. 24 colors, picture printed. Oh my gosh, I love it. Just love it. All right, it's got lots of colors, right? Reds, greens, blues, browns. Let's see. Come on, let us in. Love his flamingo flotation device. He's so cute. All right, what do we have? No numbers on the bags, but that's okay. DMC codes are on the canvas. Lots of different colors here. They all look good too. They look really nice. Love it. Oh boy. I could not resist him. Could you resist him if you saw him? Who wants him right now? Come on, raise your hand. Who wants him? He's irresistible. Santa at the beach. Love it. Nice. Okay, he's too cute for words. That's all I got. Too cute for words. And I think it's going to turn out just very nice. Love him. Love, love, love him. Okay? Go over there, Santa. Hang on. Here's the one I opened to figure out who this order was from. I always have to open one. I had a hard time finding this one too. Like they email you and then I send an email with the links. And this one I actually had to go back into my sent email to see. My goodness, this one, the plastic giving me a hard time to see who I sent these links to. Okay, we're gonna have to do something with this plastic because it's arguing with us. It's making my life difficult. Can you see this? Making my life difficult. It's pretty though, look. If you like pink, this one's for you. It's for you, pink. And it's a long one. It's a 30 by 60. Roses. Roses and ribbons and hearts. There it is. Yeah, this one definitely, this plastic's like, all these creases. It's like, no, 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 no. But isn't it pretty? I really like it. I'm going to do this real quick just because it just wants to really, really crease up and not even let us see it. So let's see if we can convince it to straighten itself out a little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh, I got a shock. Sometimes that happens. Get this plastic and everything going and you get some static electricity. Okay, I think this is going to be better. Angie, have you done this? My pink lover. It's very pretty. There it is. There, it laid down much nicer. Look at that. It's very pretty. I like it. All right, so there's a lot of background. All the sparklies, well, most of the sparklies in the background are printed. You do get, I think these, maybe we're gonna get stars with it. The hearts are drilled, but not the inside. No, not the inside. Just around the outside is drilled. Okay. So everything's just kind of outlined with drills, not filled in very much. The roses, yeah. Okay, well, let's see what we have. I'm gonna guess we have stars. Maybe we don't. I don't know. It's got star shapes there. So there's actually a lot printed on this one. Not as much drilled, although there's still a lot to drill, but much more is printed. Okay, it's got 9 different varieties. Are those the same? No, they're different. Slightly different. 1 and 2 are slightly different. They look a little dusty. I just worked on one that was quite dusty. I had some large faceted gems I was putting on and they were super dusty. I just grabbed the end of my pretty placer because they were large. Use the pretty placer. Yeah, there's our stars. And the pretty placer stuck to them pretty well. A pink wax would have just, wouldn't have done any good. And then after I was done with it, I just wiped them off because then they shined. They didn't shine before. They were super dusty. So you gotta worry about that dust sometimes. I don't know what it is, but sometimes, pretty placers work pretty good if you've got dusty drills. And then I didn't feel like washing them. I really wasn't gonna wash them. I was like, no. I'm still working on it, actually. It was just one color that was dusty in that one, at least so far. So, all right, what do we have here? I know it's special drills. That's about all I can tell so far. Got some greens and blues, got pretty colors. All right, so what is it? I didn't even look at it as I was unrolling it. So I got 8 different shapes. Oh, I think it might just be flowers. What do you think? Well, and a couple butterflies. There you go. Pretty flowers. See them. And then a couple of butterflies at the top. Nice. And it's got a printed background. It doesn't have a white background. It's got darker blues and some leaves are printed and then it fades up to a lighter blue. That's really pretty. Okay. That's nice. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of specials. The A's maybe. Is everything else rhinestones? Let's find out. Looks like there's a lot of rhinestones. Sure. Sure, we'll look at them. There. Whew. I think we made it. All right, they're all in one strip. So let's see what we got. We've got a pink and a lime green, another pink. This is probably those same 2 pinks again. Those are a little more different. Sorry. See, these look dusty too. I don't know. Why are we getting dusty drills? I don't know. Oh, we get some purple AB with this one. Nice. I like that. Wonder where the purple AB goes. And then we have red centers for our flowers. Purple AB is number 7, which is this little down arrow. Down arrow, down arrow, down arrow. I don't know where it goes. Gee, really? The down arrow. Oh, okay. It outlines all the flowers. The purple AB does. Nice. It outlines all of these lilies. Beautiful. Outline, outline, outline. Nice. Okay. All right. So that's what I got today to show you from my friends at, where did I say they were again? Diamond Art Decor. Now, what's your favorite? Do I have to tell you again what my favorite one is? Do you know? We have some special drills. We got some full drills. Yeah, I think he takes the cake. I think he's the winner. Winner, winner, Santa's the winner. I think he's just adorable. All right, so I will link all of these paintings below. Now that I found the email with all the paintings, I will link them below and you can go check them out. So there you go. Thank you again for sending them to show everybody. They had some cute stuff, clearly. Some nice things. All right, hit the like button, subscribe, come back, see more stuff. I'm doing videos after videos after videos, sometimes 2, maybe 3 a day. I have to get caught up. I'm too far behind. Okay, thanks everybody. I hope to see you soon. Bye.